everyone, welcome to our channel and we will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter S and few words starting with the letter S. Sound of the letter S is S, sat, S-A-T, sat. S sound, seed, S-E-E-D, seed. Soil, S-O-I-L, soil. Sweets, S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets. Sound of the letter S is S. Stone, S-T-O-N-E, stone. Seal, S-E-A-L, seal. Sea, S-E-A, sea. S sound, sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile. S-I-T, sit. S-U-N, sun. S-I-Z-E, size. S-K-I-N, skin. S-L-O-W, slow. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. S-I-M-P-L-E, simple. Sit, sun, size, skin, slow, sleep, simple. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.